every time.
Every time.
I know, and
So
I'll
the
tell you, and
problem-
I know that I know, and I still like I need a shock collar.
Well, no, like this.
Okay.
That way the thumb's still on top and you can guide it, right? But at that point, everything you do is
Has to be bottom.
bottom.
Right.
Where the Skagit were around the corner this way, but think about it like, you know, open the door, close it, open the door, close it. That's how they keep it so compact. It's just, you know, your barbell lift,
Right.
boom, boom.
Right.
And that's because they always keep it a little lower so they can get right here. So the rod is just never really gets past 12 o'clock.
See that little like high energy wave?
Where at the end of the head where it meets the tip.
No, just before just at the tip to the fly, there's like a little wiggle. That's the energy releasing the loop so tight. Yeah, that thing's like a super so that's getting ready to unleash the McCracken.
That was really pretty.
That was a really nice
That was
cast.
really pretty.
So basically it was your angle of cast
Was causing our
Look at that. Nice.
walking those studs. Hey, Carlos, can we take some of them
I
flies?
would have a heart attack.
Can we take some of them flies out?